Alright guys and gals, it's not good evening, good midnight to each every one of you. Let's see this screen, thank you for all the lessons and checking for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my family, Tico, Heaven, Baby, Manor, Family, Casino, Beba, Chichen, and Kiel. Shout out to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much to every one of you. And to all my silent subscribers out there, hi. And to all my 10 lovely countries, hello. And to my new subscribers for today, who do I have? I didn't check. Anyway, it's okay. I don't know. And to all my Facebook viewers, hi there. Oh gosh. Guys, let's not hold it back. Let's continue our discussions about last night. This could be the part 3, and I hope this could be the last topic. As I was saying last night that if you don't want to get, this is regarding the Wata Wata Festival for just for those just newly watched. Okay. If you don't want to get wet, so don't go there in San Juan or don't pass by there, or either you make some detour or go early wherever you are going. You're gonna pass by in San Juan, and then you're going to work or whatever you are going to do, and bring clothes. Or if not, guys and gals, why not join the fun? As we all know, and for those who don't know about the Wata Wata Festival, it's a tradition of San Juan, Metro Manila, that every 24th of June yearly there will be a throwing of water to each everyone and to those who pass by. And don't be a KJ, don't be so like this kind of being mad to the people, because it's their part of their activities and part of the festival. Okay, so join the fun, throw also water to each every one of them. And I just don't like these people those people that I've been reading on the comment sections on other platform, that Boy Dila wouldn't have a job at all in the near coming days, for the near future. How come you know the fate of Boy Dila? Are you God for you to decide? Are you God for you to conclude? For you to give this kind of, how do you call that thing? Predictions? You can say don't be a judgmental, don't underestimate Boy Dila, because you don't know he's being capable of. It's just being fun, guys and gals. He just want to make trend, he just want to be extra different. That's why actually, guys and